what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I just finished recording my giveaway details. So let me just tell you real quick, this is going to be a Dollar Tree haul that I'm very excited about. I have everything right here. We are ready to go, guys. But I already recorded the giveaway instructions, and those are going to come up probably right after this video. So I just want to tell everyone to be aware of that. I do have 23 calendars, including last year's farmers market. So 2021's farmers market calendar, 2 of those, 7 of this year's blue truck calendars, and then many other calendars to give away. 23 by the end of the year. There's less than 23 weeks, right? So I'm gonna have to give away extras. So again, watch that video. It will tell you how to enter my giveaways. It's extremely easy. You just gotta watch me, right? Kind of. But anyways, guys, again, I really want to get rid of these calendars. Not that I don't love them, but what in the world am I gonna do with them? Sometimes I feel like I'm a hoarder, and I'm like, oh my gosh, if I get rid of them, am I ever gonna see them again? Why do I need to see them again? Like, I'm not doing anything with them now. So anyways, like I said, ooh, I need some water. I'm sorry. Like I said, I have 23 calendars in total to give away, so please watch that video. And let's get started. All right. Woohoo! Got it all next to me, guys. So now that I have like my new craft room, I'm all excited, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I can start crafting. I haven't yet, but I'm gonna start. I'm so excited about that. So I do want to show you some of the items that I got. I got this little green spider guy, and I love him because I'm gonna try to do like that Hot Wheels racetrack thing and kind of put this in the middle with some cotton balls kind of out of the top so it looks like it's oozing. I don't know. That's my theory. I don't know if it's gonna happen. But anyways, I love the little green guy. I'm gonna put a little votive in the middle. Obviously not one with a lit one. So I'm gonna put a little, like not fire votive, but the electric votive in the middle, and then put the cotton balls coming out the top. It's gonna be all foamy, I think. That's my plan. So I got that one. Oh man, did I get 2 green ones? I thought I got a green and a black, but I got 2 green. Whatever, like, it doesn't matter. Their lighting was bad, so it was their fault, but it doesn't really matter. And then guys, how cute is the little ghost guy, okay? So let me show you what he does. Oh, look at, like, first of all, okay, I'm not even, what is this doing? Nothing. Guys, but look at how cute his eyes are. Like, that is awesome. I love him. So, and he's a pretty big ghost, and he is made out of like ceramic. So he's pretty good quality, I believe. He's a light up ceramic ghost. And yeah, obviously Greenbrier. Guys, he's a pretty quality ghost. Let me put these guys back in here because they are breakable, and my dogs are in here and they are relaxing right now. But it could be like that quick and the whole desk will fall over. They will just, yeah, it just gets bad sometimes, guys. So let me show you what I got. Again, now that I'm crafting, right? Like I love doing, I can't even think of what it is. Oh my gosh, when you tie them to a string, Amy, garland. I love doing garland. Again, my house right now I think is like 600 square feet larger. So I got to decorate 600 more square feet. My husband said, no, you don't. Oh no, I do. I have to decorate every part. Halloween, I like Halloween, but Thanksgiving and Christmas, oh my gosh, my house has to be decorated over the top. So guys, I got, not sure why I got that one. Let me put that one down for a minute. That doesn't go along with these ones. But look at how cute these are. So this bright colors, guys. So I got 2 of each. You don't need to see those ones. This one right here is the bright, bright orange, and the cats have different colored eyes. That one's yellow, purple. I think they're only yellow and purple, but it doesn't matter. They're so beautiful, and the colors are so pretty. And it's a fabric, obviously, I meant to say like quarter, and it is 20 by 21. And then I got this one, which is bright, bright green, and obviously black polka dots. And what my plan is to cut them into like 1-inch strips, and then I'm gonna tie them onto just some sort of twine or something, and then I'm gonna put them over my doorway into my kitchen because it's like an arch doorway over my kitchen, and then just hang on like some ghosts and stuff like that. So I needed 2, I think. I don't know how many I'm gonna need, so it's better to have more than not enough because I only found these at one store. So that's my plan, just cut them into 1-inch squares, 1-inch strips, tie them on there, and it is done. And then this one, obviously I got 1 of. So I'm not quite sure what my plan was. I guess I just thought it was cute. It is 20 by 21. It is fall. but I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with it because there's only one. So anyways, but it's very cute. I like the plaid. It could be on anything, so I may not use it for fall. I don't know. I did pick up 2 of the creepy cloths because you have to have a creepy cloth for Halloween. I think though what I'm gonna use these for is they are 30 by 72 inches, and I think I'm going to use it as a table runner down the middle of my dining room table. I do have like the bar top kind of, so the high top dining room table, so it's not as long because we have the leaf out, so it's more of like a square, I guess, or a smaller rectangle, I don't know. But I'm going to use this as, I'm gonna kind of, not really crinkle it up, but you know, just mesh it together, and I'm going to use it as the middle part, and then I'll just decorate all along it, put maybe some of like ghosts and stuff in the middle as my centerpiece. So that's what I plan on doing with that. At least one of them is, yeah, I'm going to put it, my table runner down the middle. I found these. These are, I'm just going back and forth between, I thought like putting it over here and keeping it out of the bag would like keep everything organized. I'm like fall, Halloween, fall, Halloween. Oh, wait, oh, sorry guys. So these, I thought these were coasters, but then I can't remember who I was watching the other day, and they were like saying how they would just like decor, which I'm fine with, but I'm like, huh, that's not a coaster? Good thing they told me. So anyways, this is 8 pieces of this beautiful buffalo check like maple leaves. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I will find something. They are so beautiful. I may see if I can borrow my husband's drill and like make a little garland. I don't know. I'm not allowed to borrow his drill, but I might just ask him to do it for me. Okay, that was fall. Let me try to find some more fall. I almost went back to Halloween. Like I'm doing it on purpose or something. Guys, I got the welcome sign. It is so big. It's like the length you can see of my little video. Just says welcome. And I plan on putting this for fall. So before I had hauled the garland with the little maple leaves on it, and I'm going to make a thing for around the arc going into my kitchen. And I'm just going to put this at the top of it, and then just probably, I want to put something around here. I don't like the squarishness of it. So I might put like, I don't know, some leaves and stuff around it. I'm not sure. So anyways, I just thought this was beautiful. It says welcome. I love it. And $1. Yeah, so I got it. I like it. All right, guys. Are you ready for this? I found this one, and it says home. And this color is the most beautiful color I've ever seen in my whole life. So look at that M. Anyways, so it's the home, and I know it has glitter. I'm a glittery kind of person. Like, I don't care if there's glitter or not, but I do think that I'm going to somehow use a marker or something and just go down these middle gradients and just kind of maybe make it stand out or do something a little bit more. But I love it. I love it. And I'll probably add like some maybe 3D flowers or leaves or something, just because I do feel like it's really one-dimensional, but I'm gonna fix that. That's my plan. That's why I have a new craft room, so that I can do more crafts, right? Or do some crafts, because I haven't done any. And, ooh, I found this one. Look at, okay, I'm gonna have to open this one. Sometimes, like, I forget what I found, and I'm just get so excited. Guys, oh, look at how cute this is. It's a bunch of little scarecrows. And the colors, I mean, look at the greens. First of all, I mean, you guys can see how, sorry, my hands are shaking a little bit. You guys can see how beautiful those like lime greens are. Beautiful. This fabric quarter is gorgeous. I do not know, I might make a trivet with this. Like that other one, I was kind of like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is going to go into my fall decor. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. So I got that. Don't fall. And then of course I picked up maple leaves, and it's a color your own ornament, 8 pieces. So I'm going to make obviously a garland out of this, so I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna do with the other maple leaves, but whatever, I got it. It's cute. They're just the 8 maple leaves. It comes with their own little twine. I will probably use the twine because it goes pretty good for Halloween. I'm sorry, fall. It goes good for fall. You need orange or something else to hold it on for Halloween, because that's a Halloween color. Okay, nope, more fall. Sorry guys, I want to try to at least get the fall. So this is Happy Fall, obviously, because you guys can read, right? But look at this. So all they did was put that little piece back there. So I bought the M's. So I bought the pumpkins. They're not out here right now. Of course they're not. Yes, they are. Hold on. I'm sorry. Hold on a minute. They're right here. So guys, hold on. So look, I bought this one, right? Well, there's an M in it, but look at that up here. Guys, I'm just gonna they sell just these random pieces at Dollar Tree. I'm going to get it. I don't think you're gonna, and I'm going to, well, it's gonna be bigger than that, but I'm gonna put it like that so that it matches up here, down here, and then my M won't be see-through, right? I'm excited. Yeah, I got the idea from them. But anyways, so there we go. I don't know if I'm gonna hang this up, or I might just stick like some Jenga blocks down here and obviously straighten it out because it's not straight. But I might just put some Jenga blocks and put it on the counter somewhere. So I just love it. Look at, I mean, look at how beautiful, like just everything about it is just, I love it. I think it's, I mean, Dollar Tree really. So I love it. Great idea. Love it, love it. All right, so hold on one second. I'm sorry, guys. I think possibly that is all of my fault. It's probably not, because I just found another piece. And actually, now that I pulled this piece out, I know there's another piece in here. I'm so sorry, guys. And another one. Sorry. I thought I was so organized. I was so proud of myself. I am not. So I did pick this up, and it's just the acorn that's like obviously divided. But what I plan on doing with this is, in another haul for Dollar General, you're going to see that I hauled some Thanksgiving fall napkins, and I'm just going to Mod Podge them on here, and I'm going to obviously cut them right here in the things, and I'm just going to put this on my table as a decor. And yeah, that's it, guys. Like, I'm just going to put it on there. I'm not going to hang it. It's just going to sit on my table. So, or it might sit. So if you guys have ideas, please tell me. So this is the problem. I've never had, my kitchen has like this much space, you know, like above between like my ceiling and my cabinets. And I want to decorate that. I have Googled everything, looked at all this stuff, and it's very confusing. So maybe this seems like it would be perfect sitting up there with some Jenga blocks under it. So I might just decorate this and kind of set it up there and put some more fall stuff. I don't know, but I thought it was cute. Long explanation for that. Okay, here's another one. Guys, this one, look at them. It says autumn, apple cider, hay rides, pumpkins, and fall leaves. Beautiful. I know some people are like, oh my gosh, I could make that. Why are you buying that? Because it's $1. Because it is $1, and I work 2 jobs and I have 3 kids. This is the perfect dollar for me. Like, I don't care if people come over and they're like, oh, I saw that at the Dollar Tree. I'm like, I know, that's where I got it. Yeah, that's where I got it at. Yeah. Work smarter, not harder, guys. Yeah. So I have every intention on hanging it up just like this because I think it's beautiful. And look at those colors right there. Absolutely beautiful. Yes. All right. Let me see. I did pick these up because I also plan on, when I do the garland for around the archway into my kitchen, I just thought these might be cute up there. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not up there, but they're the blue truck with the pumpkin, and there's the bows, like the Christmas bows, but they're now fall bows. How pretty are they? So they, like I said, it's the blue with the pumpkins, and there's 2. So I got those, and they just like twine on the back, or you can glue them on or whatever you want. And then I just thought this was cute. It says in all things give thanks. Again, I am just trying to buy decor so that my house looks like it just vomited fall, because I cannot wait. I've never had like an entertaining house before because I don't want to say it's never been big enough, but we have a pretty big family just that lives in our house, including our dogs. And so now that we have a bigger house with a bigger yard and more like the lake a block away and stuff like that, we're gonna have more visitors and more people over, which I love. I absolutely love. So I gotta be ready, guys. Like, I have to let people know that I want to decorate. So this just says in all things give thanks. Absolutely gorgeous. I might leave it. I have been looking up some ideas, but I think I'll leave that one. I don't know. It's a wood block. So, all right, guys. I think actually that's going to be it for right now. I just realized we're at 14 minutes. I talk a lot, and I just remembered I have more stuff in my car that I have to get out for a haul. So you are going to see me in this gorgeous Batman shirt that my husband brought me back from, I think, Disney World or something. Six Flags, I think, like 2 years ago. But you're gonna see me right here like this. I'm not trying to lie. I'm not gonna be like, oh, I do a haul every day. No, I don't. I do like 5 in one day and then put them out during the week because I don't have time for that. So yes, guys, again, so that was kind of my fall haul. Again, please watch for my giveaway video because I do not want to be stuck with 23 extra calendars. That's extra. That does not include what I bought for myself. 23 extra calendars, including last year's 2021 farmers market calendar, 2 of them. So I hope that you're all having an amazing day, guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye.